Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge. The GeForce RTX 3070 comes with a total of 5,888 CUDA cores, operating on a boost frequency of 1725 MHz. It also features 8GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 256-bit memory bus and a memory clock of 14 gigabits per second. It comes with PCIe 4 support as well as supporting DX12 Ultimate and OpenGL 4.6. The total power consumption for this card is only 220 watts and is one of the most compact GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card that we've seen, taking up only 2 slot space. Our US editor Chris managed to get his hands on one of these graphics cards and give it a good test. So without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit.
And here we have the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge. The box is quite compact. As you can see, there's Ice Storm 2 cooling and Firestorm software for the overclocking. Let's open the box and have a look. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, we've got some nice packaging there. We've got some ZOTAC stickers, ZOTAC Gaming. Here we have a information card describing other products from ZOTAC, including the mini PC. We also have a please read before you start regarding the power cables for your graphics card. Here's the quick installation guide, and it's available in several different languages. Okay, let's have a look inside the box. And here we have the power cables, and there's 2 sets of the PCIe to the special 8-pin onto the graphics card. We have 2 of these, and then we also have the graphics card itself. Very compact, very nice. Look at that. It's got 2 fans instead of the usual 3. It's one of the most compact RTX 3070 that we've seen to date, and you can see it takes up only 2 slot space. The size of this compact GeForce RTX 3070 means you can actually fit it in most cases. Unfortunately, this graphics card doesn't come with RGB. It only comes with white LED on the ZOTAC Gaming logo. We also have a metal backplate that helps with the cooling. For connectivity, you have 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI. And here you can see the special dual 8-pin power connector, which you need to power the RTX 30 series, and the cables included with the packaging. The ZOTAC Gaming logo also lights up, no RGB though. The ZOTAC 3070 Twin Edge is one of the most unique graphics cards at the time of this review. This is the smallest design of the GeForce RTX 3070. The card only measures 9.1 times 5.6 inches and only takes up 2 PCIe slot space. I'm extremely happy with the performance of the ZOTAC GeForce Gaming RTX 3070, especially if it can match the previous generation, the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. The ZOTAC GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge has great appeal for system builders and gamers alike. The compact size and awesome performance will take your PC to the next level, and if you want all the performance versus the price, then this is the card to go for. Currently you can get the ZOTAC 3070 Twin Edge for around about $550, which is fairly attainable. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3070 Twin Edge graphics card. It offers excellent performance at a price that's relatively affordable. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.